Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our TikTok application right here. And the first thing that you can do is to actually just search for that account that you have blocked on TikTok, and you can just tap on unblock. But if you have forgotten the username of the user that you blocked, you can just go to our profile page right here at the bottom right hand corner. And let's click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Let's click on Settings and Privacy. And from here, let's click on Privacy under the Account section. So let's just click on that. And let's scroll all the way down, and under the interactions, you should be able to see many options like comments, mentions and tags, direct messages, but at the very bottom, you should see the blocked accounts option. So just click on that. And on this page, this is where you should see all the accounts that you have blocked. And right beside them is the unblock option. So just choose the account that you want to unblock and just simply click on this unblock option or unblock button. Click on that. And then that account should be immediately unblocked by your TikTok account. So that is how you can basically unblock someone on TikTok. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.